In a top location opposite Rosalie Park, so close to UWA, hospitals, Kings Park, schools, supermarket, lake, tennis club, and public transport. Perth CBD is nearby. Welcome to 171 Derby Road, Shenton Park. With a generous 2-level design and substantial 3-bedroom and 1-study floor plan, this green title house offers multiple living spaces, a retractable glass roof, and vaulted ceilings. The sense of luxury comes as much from the feeling of space as the high quality of finishes. This home provides for impressive natural light and year-round entertaining options. With a flexible floor plan and separate living spaces, it is an adaptable home that blurs the lines between executive style and family functionality,